Have you ever been doing something and suddenly something else happened? Like, I was reading a book when my phone rang. This is where the past continuous tense comes in. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the past continuous tense in a super fun and easy way. So, first of all, explanation of past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe an action that was happening at a specific time in the past. For example, I was cooking dinner at 7 p.m. Affirmative sentences. It is also called positive sentences. Formula of affirmative sentences. Subject, was, were plus verb, ing plus object. With the singular noun we use was, and with the plural noun we use were. Look some examples of affirmative sentences. He was playing football and she was writing a letter. Formula of negative sentences. Subject, was, were plus not, verb, ing plus object. Now let's see how to make negative sentences. First one is they were not talking, they were busy on their phones. Next one is he was not studying, he was playing video games. Formula of interrogative sentences. Was, were plus subject plus verb, ing plus object. Now let's learn how to ask questions in the past continuous tense. She is studying when you called her? Was he sleeping in the class? So let's explore when we use the past continuous tense. First one is to describe an action happening at a specific time in the past. Example, at 6 p.m. he was watching TV. Second one is to show two actions happening at the same time. Like, my mom was cooking while I was drawing. So in this picture, mother cooking while a child was drawing is an action interrupted by another action, like she was reading when the phone rang. It's your turn. Complete the sentences below. First one is he blank play football when it started raining. Second one is they blank not talk during the meeting. Third one is blank you watch TV when I called you. Pick your answer. Is it right or wrong? Please tell me in the comment section. Story timing. It was a beautiful morning during Ramzan. The sun was rising and the sky was turning golden. She was waking up early for Sahri while her mother was preparing some food in the kitchen. Her father was reading the Quran and her younger brother was rubbing his eyes, feeling sleepy. After eating, they were drinking water when the azan was echoing from the mosque. Aisha was praying Fajr while the streets were becoming quieter. In the day, Aisha was feeling a little tired, but she was keeping herself busy. While her mother was cooking for iftar, she was helping by setting the table. Her brother was drawing on a paper while their father was listening to a religion lectures. In the evening, when the azan was calling for Maghrib, the family was waiting patiently with dates and water. They were smiling, feeling grateful for completing another fast. Tell me how was this story? Tell me in the comment section and tell me your favorite part of Ramzan. To know how to use the present continuous tense, keep practicing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Amazing English Lesson. See you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care of yourself.